In this video, we are discussing input-output techniques in Java. In this demonstration, we are discussing input and output in Java. So that is one message, that is, this is an output line. This message, this particular string is going to get printed using system.out.println. Now what is system? System is nothing but one class which is defined under the package java.lang.system. That means the package name is java.lang and the class name is system. So let us go for exploration of this. So this is our input output Java program, and here you can find that we'll be going for this java.lang. You can easily find java.lang is there. So you shall go for rt.jar and then you shall go for java.lang. So different packages are given here. So let us go for java.lang. So they are arranged in the alphabetical order. So I shall go for this java and then lang. So that is my java.lang. Under this java.lang, we'll be going for the class that is our system. So if you go for the class system, they are also arranged in the alphabetical order. So that is our system class. So this is our system class has got opened. So now you see here we are having system.out. Now what is out? And this out is nothing but one printstream class object. And this printstream class object is there, and this particular object must be of the static scope, and it is written here also. There is a public static final printstream out. So this is a declaration, that is out is nothing but one instance variable under the class system, and this instance variable is nothing but one object of the class printstream. As this particular object is having the static declaration, so as a result of that we can access this object directly from the class name dot operator. So let us go for this out. So now we are going for the system. You can find that here we are having this out here. We are having this out here declared. There is a public static vinyl java.io print stream class object out is there. As this out is having the respective static declaration, so this out can be accessed directly from system.class, system class.out here. So now this is our java.io.printstream. So let us go for java.io.printstream to check that this particular java.io.printstream class, where the java.io is the package name, printstream is the class, must be having a method that is our println. So that's why we can access it. So we are going for this java.io. So that is our java.io. we are going for that. So this is our java.io, and from here we'll be going for the print stream. So there is a class called print stream. This is a respective class, and this particular class is having a method that is a println, and this method is not static. So that's why I cannot be calling this method println directly from printstream.println, because the method is not static here. So that's why I should declare one object under the printstream class, then object name.println can take place. So that's why this system is having our out is the object of this printstream class. So out.println is allowed here. So that's why we're getting the respective help here also. We're having this java.lang.system, and this is the out. This out we're having, and this out is nothing but one printstream class. This printstream class object, that is we're having this one as java.lang.system.out, and it is declared under the static scope. So that's why we can directly access this out from this system.out, and println is nothing but one method. This method is having the prototype, that is a void. It returns void. It is defined under the package java.io, and it is having the respective class, that is a print stream, and .println is a respective method, and it takes a string as input argument, string object, and this is a string object we have passed. So in this way the code is actually getting executed. So I have given you the explanation of the system.out.println, which is a very common question in the interview or in the exam viva. So if I go for the execution, you can find that this is an output line. This string has got printed here. Okay, so this string has got printed. Next one, we are having this particular x is equal to 10. X is of the type integer. So value of x, we are doing this one as concatenation. So string concatenation integer. So ultimately it will be converted implicitly to the string, and that's why the output is coming as the value of x colon 10 here. Next one is that we are not using print ln, we are using print and print. So what is happening, the first string and the second string, these things have got printed in the same line. But if you put here ln here, if you put here ln, then obviously these two lines will get printed in two separate rows. So there is a first string, there is a second string. So if you make this ln omitted, you can find that the second string, this string is getting printed in the same line in which the first string got printed. Next one is that system.out.printf. This is the value of x, pi is equal to this. In this way we can go on printing. So x will have this particular formatting, that is a decimal type, and this is nothing but 22f, means 22 will be treated as a float number by 7, so it will be printed as percentage f. So we can find that it is getting printed as 10 and 3.142857. So in this way we have explained that how this outcome is coming. Now scanner class object. So this is a scanner class object. So this is a scanner class we are having. So it is under the java.util.scanner. So java.util is the package name, scanner is the class name. Under this class we have defined one object. This object has got instantiated, is getting instantiated using this constructor. So new, and then the constructor name, which is must be same as the class name. Here the class name is scanner, so the constructor name is also, the method is also known as the, will be called by the scanner. And there is a system.in, there is a scanner class object to read from the input device, and here the stream of characters will be coming from the system's in default input device, that is our keyboard here. So system.out.println, enter data using keyboard. So when the data will be entered, so that can be accessed using scanner.nextInt. You see here the input will be converted to the integer, and that will be assigned to int data, and later the data is getting printed here. And scanner.close, so to close the scanner object when the inputs are obtained. So let us go for the execution. You can find that it is asking for some input. I'm giving the input as 100. Now you can find that the data that has been read is 100 here. So in this way, in this particular demonstration, we have discussed that what are the different inputs and output, how we can do the inputs and outputs in our Java coding, and we have given you the detailed description what is system.out.println.